has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County, Stearns County, southeastern Morrison County, northern Canby, Ojai County, until 1:15 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Royalton to near Melrose to near Bruton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Royalton around 12:05 a.m. St. Anthony and Freeport around 12:15 a.m. Rice around 12:20 a.m. Albany around 12:25 a.m. Sauk Rapids, Painesville, and New London around 12:50 a.m. St. Cloud and Cold Spring around 1 a.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.